Welcome ang supporting cast members ng Mujige. Simulan na po natin kay Miss Donna Cariaga bilang si Soshomita, Kate Alejandrino as Marla, Kai Cortez bilang Ninang Nelly, Louie Manansala bilang Lola Chayo, Ma'am Piwi O'Hara, G. Onida, Scarlett, and Rolly Inocencio. Hi! Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Ayan, nakasama na natin sila kanina pero syempre it's time para silang lahat ay bumati sa mga nandirito ngayon. Simulan na natin of course, Kate Alejandrino.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Huwag na po natin patagalin pa. I know everybody is excited and so are we. So thank you for spending this evening with us.
Thank you so much, Kate. Up next of course, Kai Cortez.
Hello, DJ Jaiho.
Hi, Mare.
Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for being here and showing your support. Pero hindi pa po tapos. Sana po, i-post nyo rin to, i-spread nyo sa mga family and friends nyo para mas madaming makakilala kay Mujige. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat, Kai Cortez. Of course, Miss Piwi O'Hara.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta at sa panonood ninyo. Sana mag-enjoy kayo. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Piwi. Ang napaka-cute na gumaganap bilang si Doray, Scarlett Alaba.
Hi po!
Good evening. Greet everybody.
Hi po! Panoorin niyo po yung Mujige sa October 9 sa mall,
Sa SM Cinemas.
sa SS Cinema Asian-wide.
Wow! SM Cinemas nationwide. Thank you, Scarlett. At kasama rin po natin gumaganap bilang si Lolo Ipe, Rolly Inocencio.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Thank you for coming. Enjoy the evening.
Maraming salamat, sir. Wag niyo na po muna akong iwan dyan. Urong lang po tayo dito dahil susunod, tawagin naman po natin, gumaganap bilang si... Magandang gabi, Sir Richard. A message to everybody na nandito po ngayon.
Good evening, everyone. It's nice to be here. It's nice that all of you are here. Let's enjoy the night.
Maraming salamat po, Sir Richard Kwan. Ito namang susunod, Reynalyn is Mujige's mother in a very special participation. I-welcome na po natin the very beautiful and talented Miss Ana Luna. Hi, Ana!
Hello, DJ Jaiho. Hello po sa inyong lahat at maraming salamat po sa paghihintay. At i-enjoy natin ang pelikulang ito.
Maraming salamat po, Ms. Ana Luna. Siyempre, ang gumaganap na chairman ng Aplaya, ang kakaibang kapitana. Wala lang po siya ngayon, pero kasama po in her very special participation. Kasama natin ngayon? Oh, wow! Ayan na, the multi-awarded comedic actress, Ms. Rufa May Quinto! Go, go, go!
Yes, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa suporta ninyo sa pelikulang Mujige. Sinisigurado ko po sa inyong bongga itong box office. Kaya buti na dumating kayo nag-support. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Miss Rufa May. Yes, the very trending on TikTok because of Azahurado, diba? Yes. Naging Rufa May na din ako, I love you. Yes.
Judge myself.
Correct. You regular yourself.
And I approve.
Correct. I love you,
So,
Tay.
I hope you approve the movie.
Thank you so much, Miss Rufa May Quinto. At bago natin tawagin ang mga bidang mamapanood natin sa Mujige, simulan na po natin para sabay-sabay nating palakpakan, syempre, isa sa mga youngest directors ng UXS. Eto na po, Direk Randolph Longhas. Youngest, Direk.
Sige, i-claim ko yun.
Tama.
Thank you so much for coming here. Your attendance, your presence means a lot. It's the measure of the success of the film. So ngayon pa lang, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat, Direk Randolph Longha. Siyempre kanina, na-mention ko na rin po ang ating published author, copywriter, and award-winning producer, Mujiga's film writer. Palakpakan po natin, Mr. Mark Raywin Tome.
Good evening po. Sana po ma-inspire po kayo sa film na ginawa. Thank you.
Thank you so much po, sir. Ngayon naman, eto na. Ang sigurado namang magpapaiyak at talagang magbibigay marka sa ating lahat. Please welcome rising child actress and mini Miss You ng Cavite. Please welcome Ryrie Sofia! O diba, ano namang labang ko doon? Ang galing niya magsalita ng Korean, diba? Bongga! Siyempre, bago natin tawagin ang ating mga bida, muli ipapakilala ko po sa inyo ang ating film producer, president, and the chief executive officer of UXS, Miss Maria Madonna Tarayo. Up next, eto na po, i-welcome natin South Korean actor and GMA Sparkle artist. Please welcome Mr. Kim Jisoo.
Hello everyone. Thank you for coming here. Maraming salamat po. And I hope you guys enjoyed the movie, and if you are satisfied, please promote to everyone, please. Okay, hope you enjoy film. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kim Jisoo. Our next character, siya lang naman po ay si Sunny, ang matagal nang nawawalang kapatid ng ina ni Mujige na si Reynalyn. To give life to this character, please welcome kapamilya model, singer, and actress, Miss Alexa Ilacan!
Hi everyone! Good evening! Annyeonghaseyo! Thank you so much for being here with us tonight. And before anything else, I would like to take this chance lang din to say thank you, of course, to UXS, to my friends, my family, to all my fans and supporters, and sa inyong lahat po, our friends from the media also. Thank you for being here tonight. I hope that you enjoy the film. I hope that it touches you, it inspires you, and it brings you tears and of course also happiness. Again, thank you so much! And kapag nagustuhan niyo po, please don't hesitate to share your positive reviews online. We will really appreciate it. Thank you!
Thank you so much, Miss Alexa Ilacan. At bago tayo mag-photo op, hingan lang po natin ng very quick message ang ating president of UXS. Mama Doobo, sabi po nila meron daw po kayong gustong sabihin.
Ulit?
Yes, madam. Yan din po ang tanong ko po.
Hindi, una sa lahat, maraming salamat. Thank you very much. I have to speak in English because we have foreigners in the cinema. Once again, as I said earlier, this wouldn't have happened if not for our partners who have really gave us their support. And it's a huge endeavor for us to go back to the cinemas. And I hope that you will continue to support Philippine cinema. You will continue to support all of Filipino films. And of course, please watch Mujige. It's starting tomorrow, October 9, in all SM cinemas. And as Alexa said, if you like our film, please post on your social media, spread the word. You know how word of mouth is a really effective tool for people to watch the film. So once again, I'd like to thank the management teams of our cast, our production team who are here, line producers Grace and Noemi, our DOP Tio Lozada, our ADs, Daphne and Jopa. Jopa is here also. Our AD, sino pa nakalimutan ko? Baka may nakalimutan ako. Our PD, Erickson Navarro, our PM, Eds Aguila, our PAs, Almira and si Dustin is not here. Our location manager, Jason, my brother, Engine Room, our post-production house, Wonder Collab, Nara, sino pa ba ang nakalimutan ko? Kanina pinasalamatan ko na Sir Jim. Wala ka dito, pinasalamatan ko ang CMP Films. And of course, everybody, our marketing team, SM, maraming salamat. Hindi po ito mangyayari kung wala kayo. At salamat, DJ.
Maraming salamat po.
For tonight. Yun lang.
Yes, ayan, syempre, invite natin na mag-forward ng content. 1, 2, 3, go! Mujige now showing! Yes. Gusto niyo pa po yung fighting?